Hey, all you cool cats and kittens. Welcome to this Friday's edition of, well, whatever this is. I'm sure you've all heard the news now that we will not be returning to physical school for the rest of the semester, which is kind of a bummer. I'm kind of down on that, but it is what it is. I guess we're going to take it one day at a time. A couple of housekeeping notes here. Please make sure you're checking the calendar each day for all of your classes. Sometimes we have to check in just like I am doing now, give you a little bit of feedback, like for instance on the research project you guys are working on. The directions do tell you to find 3 sources and to list them at the bottom of the page in APA formatting. Some of us aren't doing that. There is a link on the assignment. Brings you to this web page here or thereabouts. You're going to come down to reference list electronic sources. And this tells you how to source a web page or online content. There's a couple of things I'm looking for on there. So this page right here will guide you to find those 3 resources. Make sure we're getting that done. Also for today, I've added a discussion. Kind of a fun little thing here. I've listed my, I'm going to call it Friday's Favorites. Today's an April 3rd edition. On it, I've given you my 5 favorite songs currently. They're in no particular order. Have a look at them. Comment if you like. Share your list if you want. Just something to kind of give us some social interaction with each other. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, please hit me up. I'm available for you most hours of the day. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have a great weekend.